Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Things to see in the mall. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
things to see in the mall.
Here are
some
examples. Places you can see inside a mall.
boutique, fast food chain, restaurant, food court, coffee shop, hardware store, supermarket, pharmacy, cinema, gym, bookstore, restroom, customer service,
Things that happen inside a mall.
people walking, family eating together, waiter serving food, custodian cleaning, people withdrawing money, a man ordering coffee, a woman fitting clothes, cashier punching in goods, people watching a movie, children bonding with their parents,
let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper.
that will show in the screen.
Number 1. Family eating together. Or people walking.
The correct answer is people walking.
Number 2. Family eating together. Or cashier punching in goods.
The correct answer is family eating together.
Number 3. Waiter serving food. Or a man ordering coffee.
The correct answer is waiter serving food.
Number 4. A woman fitting clothes. Or custodian cleaning.
The correct answer is custodian cleaning.
Number 5. People withdrawing money. Or people walking.
The correct answer is people withdrawing money.
Number 6. A man ordering coffee. Or people watching a movie.
The correct answer is a man ordering coffee.
Number 1. Family eating together. Or a woman fitting clothes.
The correct answer is a woman fitting clothes.
Number 7. Cashier punching in goods. Or custodian cleaning.
The correct answer is cashier punching in goods.
Number 9. People watching a movie. Or people walking.
The correct answer is people watching a movie.
Number 10. Family eating together. Or children bonding with their parents.
The correct answer is children bonding with their parents.
Quiz number 2. Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Write the missing letters on each word.
Number 1. Pharmacy.
The missing letters are R and C. Pharmacy.
Number 2. Bookstore.
The missing letters are O and R. Bookstore.
Number 3. Boutique.
The missing letters are U and Q. Boutique.
Number 4. Restroom.
The missing letters are R and M. Restroom.
Number 5. Cinema.
The missing letters are N and M. Cinema.
Number 6. Gym.
The missing letters are Y and M. Gym. Coffee shop.
Number 7. Coffee shop.
The missing
Coffee
letters
shop.
are F and O. Coffee shop.
Number 8. Restaurant.
The missing letters are S and T. Restaurant.
Number 9. Food court.
The missing letters are D and R. Food court.
Number 10. Supermarket.
The missing letters are P and M. Supermarket. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.